Hello everyone, welcome to Yogi, the math tutor. I am your narrator. Now I am going to explain the questions from the past paper, because from the chapter 1 real numbers we will get the questions for 1 mark and 2 mark and 4 mark. So now I am focusing on the 4 mark questions, but because we will get a good score in examination. Now continue with the question. Use division algorithm to show that the square of any positive integer is the form 5m, 5m or plus. Use division algorithm to show that the square of any positive integer is the form 5m or 5m plus 1 or 5m plus 4, where m is a whole number. Here, use the division algorithm. We need to show that the square of any positive integer is the form of 5m, 5m plus 1, 5m plus 1 and 4, 5m plus 4. So where we have to take m is in a whole number. So the division algorithm states that given two positive integers a and b, there exists a unique pair of whole numbers q and r satisfying a is equal to bq plus r. Here a is a dividend and b is a divisor and q is a quotient and r is a remainder, and we need to get the condition for the r is r must be less than the b and it is greater than or equal to the 0. Means r always must be less than the divisor. So first we need to write the Euclid algorithm here. That is a is equal to bq plus r, and we need to write the condition. So from that given question, here given 5m or 5m plus 1, like that the given question. So here the b value is, we need to pick the next number, that is 5. So where b is equal to 5, and from that 5 we need to get the condition for the r. So r must be less than the b. So what is the b value here? 5. So r must be less than 5 and greater than or equal to the 0. Now from this condition we can write the r value is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, less than the 5, so don't write the 5. So we will get the condition r value is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now substitute this b and r in the division algorithm. So first take b is equal to 5 and r is equal to 0. Like b is equal to 5 and r is equal to 0. Now a will become b value bq plus r. So b value is 5 and q plus r is equal to 0. So we can write it as 5q. That is a is equal to 5q. Now we need to show that square of any positive number. So first next squaring on both sides. Now what we will get? A square is equal to 5 times of q whole square. So if I am simplifying this question, a square is equal to 5 square means 25 and q square. Now we need to show that in the form of 5m. So we should take here 5 is a common from this both 25. So remaining term will become 5q square. So we need to show that 5 and m. So in this place, that 5q square you should take as a m value, where m is equal to 5q square, where m belongs to whole number. Why? Because they given in the question m is a whole number. So now we can conclude that any square of the number is in the form of 5m. Now let check r is equal to 1 and b is equal to 5. Now let's take b is equal to 5 and r is equal to 1. Now substitute these values in the division algorithm. So then division algorithms, what it is, a is equal to b cube plus r. Now you should take a is equal to b value is 5 and q plus r value is 1. Now again we need to do the squaring on the both sides. So squaring on both sides, then you will get a square is equal to 5q plus 1 whole square. Then a square is equal to a plus b whole square. What is meant by a plus b whole square? That is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now use this identity and simplify the equation. That is a square, that is 5q whole square plus 1 square plus 2 into 5q into 1. Now a square will become 5q whole square, means that is 25q square plus 1 plus 2 5s are 10q. So we are simplifying the a plus b whole square form. Now next, from this statement, from this expression, we can rearrange, that is 25q square plus 10q, and we are transposing, not just rearranging this one to the right side. So now we need to take the 5 common from this number. So 5q square. So if 25 is there, so I am taking the 5 as a common. So 5 is a 25q square plus here 10 is there. So we have already taken 5 as a common. So you will get remaining 2q plus 1. Now look at here. It is in the form of 5m plus 1. Where what is the m value? See here, this 5q square plus 2q there now. So that is m value now. So where m is equal to 5q square plus 2q and m belongs to whole number. This is a condition. So now we are getting the a square is equal to 5m plus 1. So previously we have a square is equal to 5m. Now we got a square is equal to 5m plus 1. Next to take letter b is equal to 5 and r is equal to 2, and substitute these values in the division algorithm. Then a will become 5q plus 2. Now again squaring on both sides, then you will get a square is equal to 5q plus 2 whole square. Now use the identity again. So a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now we will get here, that is a square means 5q whole square plus b value is 2, that is 2 square plus 2ab, that is 2 into 5q into 2. Then a square is equal to 5q whole square, means that is you will get 525q square plus 4 plus 2 5s are 10, 10 2s are 20 q we are getting. So this is 2 into 5 10, 10 into 2 20. Then a square is equal to, so 25q square plus 20q. I rearrange the terms and I return the number to the last side. So now we need to show that 5m plus 4 form. So we can write here a square is equal to, take the 5 common from this both two terms. So 5. So remaining my term will become 5q square plus 5 times 4 is 20 plus 4. Now observe the form here, m value is 5q square plus 4. So a square is equal to 5m plus 4. Now write down where m is equal to 5q square plus 4 and m belongs to whole number. Now we got the square of any number is in the form of 5m plus 4. Now again take r is equal to 3 and b is equal to 5. Now let's take b is equal to 5 and r is equal to 3. Now division algorithm will become a is equal to 5q plus 3. Now squaring on both sides, then it will become a square is equal to 5q plus 3 whole square. Now again use the identity, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now we can write a square is equal to 5q whole square plus 2 into 5q into 3 plus that is 3 square. Now we can write a square is equal to 5 5 is the 25q square, 2 5 is the 10, 10 3 is the 30q plus 3 3 is the 9. So now we can write a square is equal to 25q square plus 30q, and we need to write 9 as 5 plus 4. So we can write 5 plus 4. So from these three terms, now we can take 5 as a common. So the remaining term will become 5q square plus 5 times 6 are 30q plus 5 times 1 are 5 plus 4. Now it is in the form of 5m plus 4. Why? Because where m is equal to 5q square plus 6q plus 1. So now we can write here q square is equal to 5m plus 4. So it is in the form of now q square is equal to 5m plus 4, where m is equal to 5q square plus 6q plus 1, and where m is equal to, m belongs to whole number. Now again take b is equal to 5 again, and let's take r is equal to 4. Now submit in the form division algorithm. So that is a is equal to b means 5q plus r value is 4. So now again squaring on both sides. So a square will become 5q plus 4 square. Now simplify by using the identity a square, that is 5q square plus 2 into 5q into 4 plus 4 square. Now we can write 25q square plus 2 5 the 10, 10 4 the 40q plus 4 4 the 16, that is a square. Now we will get a square is equal to 25q square plus 40q, and the 16 we can write as 15 plus 1. So now from these three terms you should take 5 as a common, then you can write remaining terms. 5 times 5 is 25q square. Now 40 there, so in a 5 table you will get 8 is 40, plus here 15 there, so here 5 there, so 5 times 3 is 15, you will get plus 1. Now observe this one, it is in the form of 5m plus 1. So automatically the m value will become these three terms, that is where m is equal to 5q square plus 8q plus 3, where and m belongs to whole number. So now observe this one, it is in the form of the 5m plus 1. So from that all, therefore the square of any positive integer is of the form 5m or 5m plus 1 or 5m plus 4. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. You will get more past paper questions with the solutions. Thank you.